Okay, next one up, bit of old school, Suzuki GS1000. This belongs to a returning client of mine. I do his BMW GS. This is in for a little bit of Trott TLC. He has had this bike from new, believe it or not. So we're going to give it a bit of Trott TLC, get some bits and pieces polished up on it, get a little bit of corrosion protection. We'll polish up all these side covers, polish up this frame. Can't believe he's had this from new. 78 model. Anyway, we're going to work a little Trott TLC on it, get it looking like it should. We're going to do some machine polishing on all this bodywork. He has had it repainted at some point, but we're going to get it all buffed up. Like I said, every bit of chrome is going to get polished. Little Trott love, get it looking like it should. Give me a few hours. Okay, she's been thoroughly washed, degreased. Now time to crack on with some polishing. Got a few little bits I'm gonna touch up with a bit of paint. Gonna paint this center stand, touch up these calipers, and then we're gonna crack on with some serious polishing. We got all this metal to polish. I must say, this is one of the nicest GS's I've seen in a while. These wheels are beautiful. Original exhaust, just gotta polish up all these, touch up a few bits and pieces. Okay, this stunning Suzuki GS1000 has now been fully trotted. This is, gentleman's had this from new, believe it or not. So it's been for a little bit of Trott TLC. All the engine covers have been polished up, all the wheels, lovely condition. I did put a bit of paint on the calipers. They had a few little chips in them, nothing major, but just touch those up, as well as the engine case there. I take all that off, put some heat silver on there. Like I said, all these wheels have been polished, such lovely condition. I did a two-stage machine polish on this tank. Had a couple of little chips. The customer did supply some touch-up paint. Not quite the same red, but looks better than the white. All up underneath the seat. Everything's been cleaned. Engine cases, like I said, on this side have all been polished. Put a bit of gloss black on the center stand and the side stand. All fully completed now. One of our Trott full valets. We do love a classic here. If you've got something that needs a little Trott TLC, give us a buzz. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. This gentleman has a BMW GS, which I've been doing for years. So he had this, like I said, from new. Thought he would treat it to a little Trott TLC. Such a lovely bike. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963.